Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to quickly talk about the Mi Mix Alpha 5G smartphone that Xiaomi released in their event today. Now this is a very peculiar smartphone, one of its kind right now, with a display that wraps around the entire phone. The whole body of this smartphone is made out of a single piece of sapphire glass. Apparently the screen to body ratio of this smartphone is 180%. And it also happens to use a 108 megapixel camera sensor manufactured by Samsung on the rear in that vertical bar that cuts through the display. As for the standard specs, we have a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, 4050 milliamp hours of battery, and a 40-watt fast charger. This phone is a concept model, but they will release a small batch of these in December, which will be priced at $2,800. So go ahead and watch the launch event of this smartphone, which I truncated for you into a shorter video than the original 30-minute long segment, and let me know what you think about this peculiar phone's durability, usability, and such. Drop those comments down below, but let's watch the actual launch event to get more information.
Challenge the impossible to make the future possible. Introducing Mi Mix Alpha, surround display 5G concept smartphone, delivering a true bezel-less experience with its 4D surrounding curved display. Explore a future without limits. Mi Mix Alpha, surround display 5G concept smartphone.
Okay, let me unlock it. Okay, this side is back. On the side, astonishing, isn't it? Amazing. And a whole screen wrapping around the entire cell phone. We believe this is the future of cell phone. What cell phone looks like in the future. I'll turn to this side if you want to take any photos. Okay, on its back. Thank you. Okay, to this side. And its back. The back side. It's made reality because of a lot of technologies, of which the most difficult one is the surround display.
Use a chamber for the antenna. We put all the antennas on this side. We put it here, and also the side buttons. All the buttons are shown on the display, and also there are pressure sensitive displays on the two sides. And we put buttons on the two sides. It provides a very good haptic experience. And how about front camera? Another issue. Actually, in the full screen technology, the most difficult thing is how to solve the front camera issue. You will not ask this question. You can just turn it over or turn it around. You can use the camera on the back as a front camera. So we don't need, actually we do not need front camera at all. Many mobile phone makers are using the in-display, in-screen camera, and Xiaomi has also been working on it. We are expecting to have a technological breakthrough, but when it comes to surround display, we don't have to use such a complicated technology. And also, when it comes to surround display, what kind of synergy will MIUI 11 and Mix Alpha create? Let's look at the notification message. The whole side is lightened up, and also when it is charged, it looks like this. fascinating, isn't it? Because it is all display, and also when you play games, you can't imagine how impressive it is. And also when you are reading, you have content on the front, and information and reminders on the two sides. And also when you turn the display around, the backside will turn into a display. And also on the back, we have this interface. It will show the applications we usually use. Today we launched this concept model with 108 MP camera. That means the resolution is 12,032 by 9,024. It's larger than the ordinary components, and compared to the flagship smartphones of other mobile phone makers, it is thousands times bigger. So just imagine how fantastic the image taken by the camera is. 48 MP camera. So how does the 108 MP model look like? It is 4 times larger in size. About some photos taken by the camera. This is a picture we have posted on Weibo. An image of a model. We'll enlarge it twice and 4 times, 8 times. If you look at, you can see every single piece of the eyelash of the model. Well, I know that you are not giving a big enough applaud because it is not fantastic enough. And also the hair, body hair. And more importantly, the makeup on the face is shown clearly. Our photographers went to some beautiful places. Can you guess where it is? It is Hongcun village in Anhui province, and started their day. And let's go this way.
There's a wooden door with decouplet, antithetical coupling, which is a traditional, which is a Chinese tradition, and for fishing. It looks like a painting, but once you zoom out, he was harvesting his crops, and as you can see in this picture, the look in his eyes, all the misty, mountainous, with a lot of greeneries. Our photographer also paid a visit to metropolitan cities such as Shanghai, and this is the Bond. And as a concept cell phone, also a flagship project, it comes with an 108 MP high-resolution camera, but apart from that, it also comes with a 20 MP wide-angle camera with also great attention to details, because when you zoom in, it can capture the details in 1.5 centimeter. And apart from that, there is also a third camera which is specifically designed for taking pictures of people. It's made of a black precision ceramic, and also because we will have to put in there 3 cameras, we will have to put a protective layer on top of it. It is made of sapphire glass. Also sapphire glass, but when it comes to its configuration, I'm not going to go into details because this is truly the state of the art. Do you want me to elaborate? I don't think I want to do that. So, this project was first initiated about 2 years ago, and through it all, it took us over 1,000 people and 500 million RMB to make it a success. Overall, we explored 3 major areas. The first is the surround sound display, the second is the 100 MP pixel count, and the third is is the material which is best represented by titanium alloy. So you may want to know, why do we want to do this? Well, because we are explorers.